Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for being here. Today I'm super excited because I'm doing an overview or a final thoughts sort of video on the Opalescence Go teeth whitening kit. This is the Opalescence Go teeth whitening kit. I don't know if you guys saw my previous video on this kit where I did an unboxing and a final thoughts sort of video. I showed you how the kit comes, like when you buy it, how it comes and how it looks. I unboxed and I showed you all the things that it comes with, like the toothpaste and the toothbrush, and I also showed you the kits inside of it. I also showed you how to use the kit, just in case you don't know how to, but I did show you how to use the kit, and it's a very simple kit to use. So if you haven't watched it, I'm gonna link the video somewhere here. I'm gonna put it in the description box and I'm gonna put it in the iCard somewhere here for you to go and watch it. I think it's very informative, and it also shows you how easy and how simple it is to use the kit. Okay, so just to give you an overview, this is what the box for the Opalescence Go kit looks like. It comes in with 10 trays or 10, okay, I like to call them kits, but I think they're trays. So 10 trays that you use over a period of 10 days. It also comes with a toothbrush and it comes with whitening toothpaste. The kit that I was using was the 6% hydrogen peroxide mint flavor kit. So they do have several flavors. They have the mint, they have the melon, and they have the peaches. I was using the mint one and I was using the 6% hydrogen peroxide. This is the 6% refers to the strength of the whitening agent, which is the hydrogen peroxide. So mine contains 6% of the whitening agent out of 100%. So 6% of the gel was hydrogen peroxide. There's some that had 10%, others 25%, others 45%. Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie. When I got the kit, I was very skeptical to use it, and skeptical because I've had so many horror stories out there of people who went and got their teeth whitened and they ended up having sensitivity for a very long time. Like, these legit horror stories out there of people who went for whitening and the sensitivity that they had was horrible. So I was a bit skeptical, I was a bit scared to try it, and on the first day when I tried it and I didn't feel anything, I was like, okay, so is this thing actually gonna whiten my teeth? But funny enough, I know they do say in the website that it's 5 to 10 days that you can actually get your teeth whitened, that's when you start to see the effects of the whitening. But I kid you not, on day 2 of me using this kit, I could already see that my teeth were brighter, they were looking whiter, and I do have a lot of discoloration around my bottom teeth. You don't see that much when I smile because my lips do cover it, but I do have a lot of discoloration around the bottom, and that's because I found a new love for coffee. And so coffee does discolor your teeth, and so my teeth started getting discolored. But by the second day, I could start seeing that discoloration around the bottom of my teeth was fading. So it was a nice discovery, so to speak, that I'm using such a gentle product and it's actually, doing what it's saying. It's not causing sensitivity, and it's whitening my teeth. So that was a very pleasant surprise. And I was totally sold on the product. So the tooth whitening gel contains potassium nitrate and fluoride. That is what actually protects and strengthens your enamel, and that's what causes your teeth not to be sensitive after using the treatment. So that was very nice, and it was nice to know that I'm not harming my teeth, in the name of wanting to have, those nice Hollywood pearly whites. So now we've established that this product does not cause sensitivity, it actually whitens your teeth. So basically it does what it says it's supposed to do, and it's easy to use. This is like triple threat in terms of looking for a home whitening kit. The question is, where do you get the product? This is not a product that you can find in Clicks or Discam or over the counter or just anywhere. This is a product that you'd have to get from a dentist. It's prescribed by a dentist, just like medicine is prescribed by a doctor. This is prescribed by a dentist. So you'd have to go to your dentist or go to one who is a stockist of the Opalescence Go, and to know whether your dentist or any other dentist around you actually stocks this product, you'd have to go to the Opalescence Go website, and in there you can actually find dentists and stores that actually stock the product. I'm gonna link the website down below, and there you can get all the information you want. If you want more information on this product, if you want to know which strength is best for you, if you want all of that information, you can go down to the website that I'm gonna link down below. You can also find your stockist and your dentist down there. So for my final thoughts, this is a very good kit if you want your pearly whites in the comfort of your home. You don't want to make that trip to the dentist, or you just don't like the experience with the dentist, or you just want it in the comfort of your home, this is a very good kit for you. If you just want white teeth in 10 days, you know, no sensitivity, no stress, no questions asked, this is a product for you. I must say I was very skeptical in the beginning because it's very rare to find a product that has a combination of both giving you nice, almost instant white teeth and then you not getting sensitivity. So that what for me was a wow factor for the Opalescence Go kit. If you have any questions concerning the kit in terms of usage, in reference to my first video, or in terms of my experience, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will be glad to answer your questions. Also, be sure to check out their website because there's a whole lot of information there. They have a lot of videos in there. And yeah guys, I will see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.